every one of us. Alright, thank you. Alright, so next on our agenda here we have introduction of the program. That's one of the key part of the program, and that will be done by Minister Joel Wonder Mowan. Minister Mowan, are you there? Minister Joel Wonder Mowan. All right. All right. The Minister Joel is not here. We'll ask the DJ to help out with music. Joel is not here. DJ, please give out a song. Yeah, a song.
This pump is African Lab. Come to you from Police Academy community where this program is being held to ensure the candidacy of Prophet Keith ahead of 2023 presidential election to contest in Nema County as senator. It's going to maintain lawmaker. Most of our country, the qualified is also here to grace this occasion in honor of Prophet Keith, who is now in country. Wherever you are and however you are tuned to this live podcast, the Front Page African people, as
DJ. You know the music. I like the music to the extent I don't even want the music to stop. All right. Thank you, DJ. Thank you for that song. Welcome back. Next on our program sheet here we have introduction of the program that was done by Mr. Yahweh. Mr. Yahweh, you are welcome to do the introduction of the program. Mr. Yahweh, are you around? Thank you. Put your hands together for Mr. Yahweh. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. I'm Yahweh Ines on the Free Position Movement, headed by Prophet Keith. To our dynamics, leader Prophet Keith have rounded up financial support such as in 2020, capacity building for less fortunate Liberians, headed by our incoming senator. Prophet Keith was able to pay the total amount of 7,000 USD for students at the Memorial Vocational Training Institute. In this year, the Free Position Movement also have a children party in Kanto, Nima County. Through our dynamic leader, in this year we was also able to send less fortunate children to school. The total amount of 8,000 USD was paid for 15 children. And both girls was also sent from the US through our dynamic leader. In so doing, we, the family of the Free Position Movement, for less fortunate Liberians, said, vote Prophet King for transparency and accountability. Thank you.
All right, please put your hands together for Yahweh. Thank you for that beautiful introduction of the program. Well, I'll say thank you. Hello? Yo. Zeyo. All right, thank you for that beautiful response. Right now we have musical interlude, and we have our sisters that are going to do a cultural dance for us. So get ready so that the DJ can drop something nice for her to do a cultural dance. Love, are you ready for the cultural dance? DJ, you have to find something nice for Love, right?
Retrospect awards are meant to meet you. So welcome to watch your sister.
All right, DJ, are you there? Are you ready? Don't leave us in too low.
We have
We'll leave Celine Dion. Yeah.
We have corporate tonight.
Maybe away, several profile personalities were invited to be a part of this program.
All right.
Some of them are here, why the others have sent people to proxy in their behalf. So keep watching from Bishop Africa Live as we bring you this program where it is being held in Police Academy.
just starting. Somebody say, just starting. We will lead in Israel today. We're not joking. In the main form, they will leave where he's selling Dion. Yeah. We're not going to joke. It's just starting. Yeah, thank you very much, Lofty, for that cultural dance. And that was Sylvester Jubilee. We'd like to say thank you for that dance. We hope to see you again so you can do some more. Yeah, I know on our call about feeling it. Yeah, oh, shaking it. I can happy now. What we can do? Yeah. All right. Now we have selection that will be done by Lightspeed. Booza. Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on, put your hands together for the man. Put your hands together. Yeah. Booza. Thank you. Booza. Yeah, respect. Yeah, I know if you hear a clear eye, you clap for yourself. You clap for yourself now. Or when you can't wear the black hole, go to there and steal your phone. Yeah, so when you have a clear eye, when you clear your hand, just move around outside, it's keep that to go, my man. If you still know that song, if I preach that, I know you will answer me, eh? The other trouble that is that he say. Yeah. But now, you know, we got new system in the country, we got people. I have one or two that you say, I can get full money on time. All they want is so I did create another new song for 2022. Yeah, listen to the freestyle first. La purple level, baby, they he say. Now this Saturday, you told me and worry, I was so happy. The we never said it's a best boy you told, I was so happy. You not live in yesterday, my two and I say. You follow get the rest, but I know cool. I saw you get a corner, but I know pepper. I saw you get a pepper, but I know vita. La labira. Tompo mio, machebe, girikata. Machebe, no baby, girikata. DJ, Booza.
Another fire game. We can play hate. 2020. You want me to kill my dad? Tell me, baby. Do you want me to roll? All the person on my dad. Now you got it, you pay it for it, so I pay, I'm so proud. Now you got it, you pay it for it, so I pay. And I got it, we never said it's a business, but it's so I pay. She won't kill me, kill me. She won't kill me, she won't kill me, she won't kill myself, she won't kill me. If I will kill me, did you want Mommy, Mujalina, Mama Yara won't. We were tested to kill you, Mama Yaya. Yabusa. Dubaba. The other trouble, I skin there. My Julia skin there got in trouble. Booza. I look at the fireman. The other trouble, I skin there. The other skin there, I àdẹ̀kọ́lé wo lè tún máa gbọ́ lè bọ́ yìí ó sọ̀rọ̀ bábẹ́ la fẹ́ kó àwọn ń gbádìí ní. ọ̀sẹ̀ mọ́ kí n dátù wọn máa. àìjọ ilé ó kì í dátù wọn máa. àìjọ ilé òsì ọ̀tún máa jí lójú mi. àìjọ ilé sílé wòye wájú ìkọ́jú mi. àìjọ ilé ó kì í dátù wọn máa. àìjọ ilé ó kì í dátù wọn máa. àìjọ ilé bí ọ̀rẹ́ sẹ́ máa dúró bí àìjọ ilé. Take it down. I believe Honorable Koloba know the song Zama Stupidity. People me, you got in me, your tongue. Gonna me, man, you got in me, your bella. My father, I'm a say, I'm okay. Don't mama, if you try to forget, you will feel the show go. Your two mother must go away by to the complete Zama Stupidity. DJ, you buy it.
Somebody only boom. Boosa, I look at the fireman. Somebody only double. Two face on the Jambani. When you're on your bui, for the go to Puyaku, where I got you guys in Puyaku. Boosa, I look at the fireman. I is Sama Stupidity. I is Sama Stupidity. I is Sama Stupidity. I is Sama Stupidity. I feel you is Sama Stupidity.
Cynthia Duwama. I enjoying it. Yeah, thank you very much. I wish I can sing. Yeah, I'm going to do remake for Cynthia Duwama. Please put your hand together for the man. Yeah, please. Yeah, do something for the man. We'd like to say thank you for that great performance. And we wish to see you on the stage again to do something for us better than that another time. All right? Next on our program sheet here, we have the introduction of the guest speaker, and that will be done by our own sister, the daughter of Prophet Key. That is the man called Mr. Neya Bokwa Opa Yezian, right? So we call our sister Lofty, and that's a girl Love. Please come and do the introduction for us. Thank you. Please put your hand together for Lofty Norma. Lofty Norma. Thank you.
Praise the Lord.
Okay, we have to go back to
the free position movement.
keep watching.
Members of the House of Representatives, legislators, our guest speaker. Our guest speaker is the son of the Labrador soil. He was born on the 10th of June, 1993. Lofa County, Benjamin. Our guest speaker started his education in Lofa County and graduated from the St. Joseph Catholic High School. He was born under the union of Mr. and Mrs. Connie. Our guest speaker holds 2 certificates from the Youth African Leadership. Our guest speaker is the Assistant Secretary for Press. Our guest speaker is the CEO of Daba Sabatin. Ladies and gentlemen, we will welcome our guest speaker in person of Lasana S. Kane.
The speaker for today's event is the CEO of the Dallas Dillon Sabatin and also a student of the University of Liberia. And he is also the Assistant Secretary for Press in the office of Muslim County Senator Abraham Dallas Dillon. So he's Lasana Kane.
Thank you so much for the beautiful introduction. As I listened to the beautiful lady introduce me, with a marvelous and eloquent speech, I was amazed. And I thought to wonder and ask myself as to whether I was the person she was introducing. Let me quickly recognize the hard table, the guests, Honorable Yaga Koluba, and most importantly, the masses that have trooped in here today in their numbers to grace the occasion of one of their own, Prophet Key. I'm extremely delighted and honored to be given the opportunity to serve as guest speaker on such a historic event. I'm even more emotional to see each and every one of you here today. In spite of storm warning, you, the people, have revealed to the Liberian people or to the Liberian society, women abroad, that you can go as far as anyhow in the quest of providing a better alternative of leadership to our country. It is no secret that something is happening in Liberia, or it's not well. And I know that you are aware of the many challenges our country is faced with. the mysterious killings, the rampant corruption, the disrespect for the rule of law, and the economic challenges our country is faced with. And this is due to lack of leadership and applicable economic policies implementation process that have constrained and left many of our young people, a vast majority of our young people today, jobless and rehabilitated, turning them into zogos or street beggars. And sadly, leaving many of our parents very constrained financially incapable to send their kids to school. And today, you could see the finance minister of this country introduce the harmonization process, cutting down the salary of many of our parents. If you are making $100, they cut it down to $50. Looking at how the country is difficult, looking at how the people are going through hardship. This is why many of our parents are not able to send their kids to school today. And I know that you know and you are aware of the constraint and the financial difficulties our people are facing. Such is very sad, and it will gladden you to know that Prophet Key is a proponent of good governance. Prophet Key is a strong proponent for a better Liberia and a proponent of the struggle to seek a welfare of the Liberian people. Let me encourage us here today to remain engaged and also be reminded that we, the people or the citizens of this country, have a major role to play in crafting a new course for our country. Today is the beginning of a new dawn in our country. 2023 is almost here. You and I will be going at the poll again to vote people or to vote somebody who will represent or who will govern this country for the next 6 years, or who will be a senator for your county for the next 9 years concomitantly. I want to caution you all to be very, very careful, to be meticulous in voting. Vote people with character, vote people with good record, and vote people with ideas that will come and change the narrative of our country. And I want you to look at yourself, look in your neighborhood, and ask yourself, what have I achieved? Or what our country can boast of? Or what transformation have happened in this country, in the life of our people, in this season of just real governance? I believe you have questions or you have answers to those questions. And we need to answer those high questions to know our stance going forward before reaching to 2023. We should ask ourselves, since Joshua took power, what are the transformations? What are the development? What are the changes in our life? What are the contributions? What are the development in the life of our children? What has changed in Liberia? Ranking from all sectors, the agricultural sector, the education sector, the health sectors, and down to the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. You should go in the community, ask our people, do survey, go to these ministries, go to the executive branch of government, go to the judiciary, and go to the legislature. And I believe one of our lawmakers is here today. Ask me what have changed since Joshua took power. It will interest you to know that nothing has changed. Liberia is not going forward, but only going backward. And that is due to lack of leadership. And that is only attributed to us, the citizens, that are going to vote at the poll. We should be very careful in voting. We should be very meticulous in selecting who to bestow our trust and confidence in to lead us or represent us, either at the legislature or the executive. We deserve better. Liberia deserves better. And I believe we can get better, Liberia will get better. But this only can happen if we are very self citizens, putting in mind that over the decade or century of leadership provided for our country, nothing has changed. Should we continue to maintain those very same people that have messed up this country, or should we try to change the narrative, bring people on board with policy ideas, bring bureaucrats on board, bring people that have vast knowledge in governance, that have vast knowledge in implementation of policies to change our country? Should we maintain them, or should we change the course of our country? Today, to Prophet Key, I want to tell you, thank you very much. You are a good man. To the friends of Prophet Key, it is very difficult. the stance he took, it is very difficult in Rari to see people befriend Prophet Key, because he is a man who believes in friendship, but he doesn't compromise his love for country for friendship. He believes in friendship, but he prioritizes the country over his friendship. So to be a friend to such individual, you must be a straightforward person. You must be a very honest person. You must be an attractive person. That is why you will not see many of our people gather here today to celebrate Prophet Key, because it doesn't mean the words in addressing people and telling you the reality. To you, Prophet Key, you are a good man, but I and many other people may not be friends with your dictions and the way you disseminate your information. But I want to urge you today to kindly call on you on this program marking the official launch of the Friends of Prophet Key to try to reframe and refashion some of your diction, because you are now venturing to becoming a public servant. And this means you must be an example, you must lead by example, you must be a motivator, you must be an inspiration to many others out there, regardless of people that are following you. And to do this, you must set example, and not a bad precedent or bad example, but a good example and a good precedent. And that will only be done if you change and refine some of your diction. I believe you can, and you will do so. And I want to assure you today here that you have my unflinching support. Today, tomorrow, you call on me, I'm at your service. We will always be there to cherish you up, because we are aware of the good you have done for our society, the evil you have unearthed to our Liberian people, the life you are saving Liberia. And such men must be celebrated, not because his nations are bad, but the message he preached to our people, the information he gave to society. Forget about the diction at times. Let's take into consideration the information he shared to our people, to have them informed about bad governance, to have them informed about evils happening in our society. Prophet Key must be applauded. And I want to say thank you to all of you that have gathered here today, the Friends of Prophet Key. And I want to kindly appreciate Honorable Yega Koluba for coming here today. Honorable Yega Koluba, over the past, has demonstrated to be a good leader. He doesn't hold malice against anybody. He'll go back and forth with you, but tomorrow, if you see the need for you guys to come back together, he will do so. So I want to say thank you very much. And I've been a very good follower of Honorable Yega Koluba. When I went to jail last year, November, when he got attacked, we went at a rescue. He did extremely well to secure my release. But what baffles me and I laughed was when I came from jail, Honorable Yega Koluba asked me, General, are you willing to go back again? I said, what? We're not willing to go back. So I want to say thank you very much to the MC and the lady that did the introduction. Thank you very much. The speech was eloquent. And to the journalists, I know many of you were asked not to come here, but today you forced your way to be here. You are the hero, you are the MVPs. I want to tell you thank you also. And thank you to all of you. Let's be together. Let's remain engaged. Let's pressure our government. Let's put our government feet to the fire. Don't be afraid. They will be there to oppress you. But remember, freedom is not given on a silver platter. Nobody gain freedom on a mess your way. You must struggle to gain freedom. And in order to take a dictator and a bandit, a financial bandit, Joshua from government, you must wear your militant boot. You must be in your regalia. You must be engaged. Continuously engage this dictator to action up comes 2023. Let's God bless all and save the state. Thank you.
That was the speaker. No, yes, all important.
Thank you very much. Let God bless us and save the state.
And keep following this from this Africa Live company.
Guest speaker
From Queensville.
that brilliant
On the
speech.
occasion marking the endorsement of the
We
key
are actually
for
appreciate every message you gave us the consideration
presidential and general
and
election.
work on ourselves. Thank you. Right now, we've come to another part of the program wherein we will have a remark from Honorable Koluba, Honorable Yega Koluba. We have remarks from Honorable Yega Koluba. Could you please put your hands together as we welcome Honorable Yega Koluba?
Yega Koluba We definitely have
the People Movement.
The People's Library. It's just what we can liberate. They can liberate these messages.
Oh, say. Muya, friends of Prophet Key, Muya, all protocols observed. Today, I'm happy to be here. You know, when I was coming, one citizen called me to ask me, oh, you going to Prophet Key program? I said, Prophet Key and Open, who important? So you know when the answer is say, but Prophet Key can be causing all kind of cause. I said, Open, I can tell you that brand put money to go look for woman outside and Prophet Key, who better? Prophet Key is better than Ambassador Weah. Because Prophet Key don't go around insulting people that don't have problem, you don't have problem with. Prophet Key get problem with you. I must say Prophet Key have insulted me. But the thing they call friendship, they more than insult. The thing they call friendship, they more than insult. And Ambassador Weah were invited here today. I think he's on his way coming. Because if he gets sins, he gets something in his hair not empty, he will come to grace this occasion. Because it's about the Lebron people. We see the Lebron people sitting here. Be moved by what you want to be moved by. Do not be moved by what people say. Everybody got a way to move. Everybody got a way to go. So if you want to listen to people, you go be nowhere. Because I don't care what you do, people will talk. We listen to people talking about, they get 30,000 a lawmaker, that money is small. I need 200,000. Because upon taking $1 million US dollar, just to go walk up out to get a girlfriend there, run from county to county. Nothing he's going to do. The Lebron will not achieve nothing. Can you imagine how a president that would just go take plane to go take picture and show the Lebron? I don't picture of France president. What are we getting in return? So for that reason, you see all his toes, the jigger into his toes. He wears 75 shoes. Because the shoe get fading, 14 get fading. Only 75. When you see the shoe, no jelly one kino. You know the kino hair can be in the air like that. That Ambassador Weah shoes looking. I listened to Honorable Akara's grade. He said, "What deal with you? You will not be paid." Say you can talk to the president. They call rule that I'm gonna be paid. The record is there. They say no. So Ambassador Weah, I told you, I said, when Papa Chimo calls me, I will cost you. So I'm not going to dignify myself with Akara grade. I'll go to Jamaica resort to your house. When you and him finish getting high, all your teeth rotting in your mouth, they have been dignifying. I will dignify you, Ambassador Weah. Because you have become an embarrassment. That is why we're calling our CP people to hold together. Ambassador Weah will be the first president to be handcuffed and dragged to the court to be prosecuted. And you will be placed behind bar a common criminal. So I want to appreciate everybody that are here today. You probably made no mistake to come here. Your friend must be your friend. I don't care where you go. I don't care what happened. Your friend must be your friend. I didn't come here because I was pressured to come here. I came here because Prophet Key is my friend. Yeah, Prophet Key can get on the radio, he insult my family, he's getting all one. That he read to say what you want to say. Causing, when you causing a brother can find you, they don't care you for it. And we encourage you to come. Whosoever Prophet Key now calls you, go to court, who will pay the fine, he will pay the fine. When people get frustrated, they will say what they want to say because of the attitude of this criminal of a president. He has become an embarrassment. And when I hear Prophet Key coming, I'll be one of the persons to the airport to go receive him. When the sheriff bring the paper for causing, we will go to the court and we will pay the fine. 95% of Prophet Key followers are women. So what you want to say? What you want to say? The men get caught? Open our money, go sleep with somebody there. They're not causing there. You're causing the Lebron people. The Lebron people, they get you money to go where one piece you alone, like, you know. And you have become an embarrassment. Your people have said, I want to appreciate the people of Lofa County. We need to do more. If me will give them our support, we will do it.
Because if you can't get redress from the court, like I told the people in front of the court, I said the court can be the cause of war, the court can be the cause of peace. When you see people going to the butchers, it's because they're not getting redress from the court. They will find another alternative, and we don't pray for it. Because our ambassador, we are one, he supported Model. They brought war here. We are saying we for war. Let the war grand cook ambassador. We are saying no. What are you scared for? You play football, you want 89 million, like the book can say, but you are very poor, you don't have nothing. You used to pick your people live before you eat. War grand cook, you say no. What are you scared for? We wanted to come. I'm happy to be here. That's why I came and walking around the community so the people can know I came to grace this occasion. I came here by myself. I was never forced to come here. And anytime he sent for me to program, I will come there. If you feel you are being insulted by him, proceed to court. Let the court give the ruling in the case. Let's see where somebody will insult somebody and they say we'll kill you for it. I want to say to the friends of Prophet Key, the program is very, very okay. We see the turn up. But because the program started late, we saw a lot of people going out. Those things will happen when you have a program. You know the people needed to get prepared. But the number is impressive. The number is impressive. When Prophet Key is coming to the airport, we will get in car, we'll go, we'll bring him. So we can see if they can kill people for cause sake. They may not bring a war like open a broad wall. We say war Kranko Maka is scared. War Kranko Maka is scared. Oh, they go where propose. All the people voted for you for? You go sit down to Jamaica Resource. When you finish getting hard, then you say you're making reggae music. And you take the reggae. Now I said, you my neighbor door. Then the person across you. Ambassador, where you are my neighbor door. I stand with my statement. I will not retract it. Say you attend the musician, will give you a nickname. They get nigga blow, nigga dopper. So when you get your nickname, nigga door, then you say you are Ambassador, where you are my nigga door. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you. I have another program too, and God bless everybody. Thank you so much.
Okay, that's the voice of prayer.
Wow, thank you. You can do better than that. Please put your hands together for
Welcome the microphone. Thank you. Welcome to the Music Award. One of the sponsor for Prophet Ken. Why did you say so?
What did I do?
You said that you will be one of the sponsors of Prophet Ken, and you stand firm that he'll be one of those that be recognized in the government of Liberia. Why do you say so?
Look, Prophet Key is coming. He said he wants to become senator. If the poor Nima Kande vote for him, he's going to be senator. So there'll be no mistake. Am I going to vote in Nima Kande? No. He's trying to build on his strength. He's trying to build on his strength. So if the poor Nima Kande can vote for him, who am I to say no? The poor Lopa Kande voted for. The poor Lopa Kande voted for Senator Samokai. Ambassador, we are saying Lopa Kande like a private grant. So we are saying the poor Lopa Kande are saying, look, we need our seat not to be vacant. We need Samoka to take a seat.
So what's about your budget strength to unseat Honorable Prince Johnson? Because he one of the powerful person. What's the
one man powerful? You think Nimakande Prince Johnson? You think for Prince Johnson to get stroke that the one man get Nimakande? Or you think for Jeremiah Kun to get bad breath that one man get Nimakande? No, Nimakande is Nimadians. The Nimadians will resolve and decide who become their senator. So, if the people of Nimakande resolve that Prophet Key is a senator, he's going to be respected as a senator. You see the tenor of women. You saw women to this program. So, I mean, it means no harm. What are meant to be used.
What is kind of recruitment for?
So what is their strength? I came to grace the occasion. You can't be asking me what is my strength. I don't have a voting ready in Lima County.
Few weeks back we heard that you passed off on the Yaga Koluba, so now we see you live at this program.
I did what?
Few weeks back we heard that you passed off and we are seeing you live at the program.
Yeah, maybe the people that say I die, la standard brother die for me, I'm living.
To what extent are you hopeful of Prophet Key becoming Nima County
Look,
senator?
if the people of Nima County resolve, I'm saying if they resolve that Prophet Key be the senator, who am I to say no? You think I look like Opon that's scared of Brandon Sambuca then? I'm not the Opon there afraid of Brandon Sambuca then. So that's why he embarrassing the whole. And we are calling on the court. Like I always say, the court can be responsible for war, the court can be responsible for peace. Because if we can't get justice from the court, like the court have ruled. Judge Nangwe ruled that the court, I mean the House of Representatives should pay me. You understand? So we go back to see what happened. I can't get it and say no. So the bossman ambassador we are with Jika in here too will feed me.
When the case of your election, your speech that President we are supported. What's the reliance?
Are you the war crime code now?
You
know you are a journalist. Let the war crime code be established, like we are saying. You have to leave the room. Let the war crime code be established, like we are saying. Then we go there with our evidence. I am saying I got 100% evidence. No, not by you, not for you. So if I give you my evidence right now, then you should say court journalist. Open your court where you get your sheriff and establish a war crime code. No, I'm not going to provide it here. I want to provide it before the war crime code.
You can have it in the lower house and expecting having Professor in the upper house. What does that really mean for?
No, the country will be all right. It will be all right. So whosoever become president will work the way they're supposed to work.
If they fail,
they will feed us.
In which day?
Why talk about any kind of way? Any kind of way, like Ambassador we are doing now. Since I mean he working the Jamaica resort. If he needs smoking opium, he said that he said doing Liberal work. You're supposed to be to the mansion.
What are plans in maintaining your seat in District 10 in the midst of two female giants?
Name one.
Karishma and that of Joseph and David.
Hey man, I'm not here to discuss Karishma. You think I'm here to discuss Joseph and David bleaching or because you think open sleeping with you, then you can defeat me in district number 10? So what's wrong with you? No, the proof will be presented to the court. No, not. Look, I'm going to be re-elected in district number 10 anytime I want to.
Karishma is claiming Karishma is claiming to be more educated than you, Honorable.
No problem. The educated people there. Ambassador, we got how many degrees? How many degrees? But he can't say nothing. He can't express himself.
Your alliance with Prophet Key, don't you think it will make some of your followers to go away?
Your alliance with Ambassador Weir that have become a serious criminal, that have taken the Lebrenpo resources and stealing it, taking it to go look for a woman, have become a serious embarrassment. So Prophet Key is a human being. No, we got law in this country. Lord, take for example, you say Prophet Key calls you. Where do you go? You take the law into your hand? Yeah. No. You go to the court. You go to the court. What's the fine for insult? They fine you pay money. Yeah. So are you a fella? Look at women. Look. People must be able to speak up their mind.
So one last talk pay.
One last talk pay?
Yeah.
I've been taking pay. My June pay, they don't want to give.
Why?
Because they are saying I'm going to buy that to Ambassador Weir the way Boffa Chimo is buying that to Ambassador Weir.
Okay, finally.
I will not do that. Finally, Boffa Chimo has become an embarrassment. You know, he's somebody. Under his administration, the House of Representatives have become a serious embarrassment. What can we do? They continue to move forward. Lebronpo problem, are we the lawmaker? Are we in the interest? In my mind, I said no. So we need to prove to our people that we are in their interest. If we are not in their interest, the country will go the way it's going.
So in so doing, irrespective of your international travels and talking with multi-stakeholders across the African continent as well, want to know, do you have any intention to contest CAMP 2023?
For what?
Well? For the seat of representative.
Yes, I'll be recontesting. What I know is
that your optimism.
Uncle for report that you're not contesting for district number 10 again.
Yeah, maybe I'm contesting for your district.
So
back to your house. I'm in district number 10. Where do I go to contest?
There are vivid proofs in Nima County to authenticate the re-election of Honorable Prince Johnson. What are proof or evidences or vivid things to show Prophet Key of being the favorable of the best candidate comes 2023?
In my mind, Prophet Key is better than Prince Johnson. Prophet Key can do better than Prince Johnson because Prophet Key has become Prince Johnson has become a big ball to Ambassador Weir. That's what the people of Nima County suffering. The authority Prince Johnson get to tell open say let's go. If I have authority, everybody in Nima County will get us their building there.
In terms of tangible, what are those things?
Show me what Prince Johnson has done to go pay one school for here and family to run the school. If I let go Nima County, let tell you to the poor Nima County.
Thank you very much, Koluba, for speaking.
Can we turn this to be a sentimental message to Prophet King?
What sentimental?
The friendship level that I try to.
Oh, but the man of my friend. The man of my friend. I just said that. The man of my friend. I'm not kind of my friend program. If my friend insulted you, carry him to court. The man of my friend. Prophet King insulted me when he came and walked in the car, walking in the court.
Thank you very much.
You can tell me what the problem is.
Let's get your party comment.
My party comment is Ambassador Criminal William will be aware that he will be handcuffed and dragged to court, and he will be placed behind iron bar like common criminal by the court. I'm not saying by war the way he brought war here. Because all you know, the man left peace. The man left peace. You can't reconcile with Gene Diba. You can't reconcile with other people. Then you say you left peace. Ambassador, we are trying to go to the mansion. All presidents supposed to go to the mansion. You say you're going to 4 minutes, so okay, go there. But you send out the Jamaica resort whole day, you getting high, smoking opium. That's what the LeBron put you letter you for. Then when you really when the opium turn your head, then you start making reggae music. Mama Rina. What Mama Rina got to do with
This is our district number 10 representative on the road, Yaka quarterback of Boston out Economic Sign and so working at McKinney. Perfect. Thank you for talking to us. Well, keep watching.